Hello guys, I hope you are doing well. In today's video we are going to talk about the adding path. Okay, let me first of all open this shortcut for you, the shortcut. And yeah, let's you can see the shortcuts here. I'm going to press Shift A and I'm going to the curves, and in the curves we will continue this curve list. We'll go finish the path. Okay, we have the path, and what we are going to do is that, let me brighten this. Okay, so what we are going to do is that I have a path like this. You see it's a right path. What can I do is that I can go to the tab and see I have 5 vertices. Okay, I don't have any edge or any faces. Okay, here. So what we are going to do, we can move it like this, see, or we can extrude it. You see, extrude it like this and extrude, or you can extrude it in locking the z-axis. I'm locking the z-axis and it will move like this. And what I can do is that, let me see, I cannot scale it. You see, if I press A and scale it, I can scale it. Okay, keeping that in mind. If I select all and rotate it, I can rotate it. Okay, so you see how we can rotate it. And I can close this and select, press F, and it will be closed. You see, and I want to convert it to a mesh. You see, I convert it to a mesh. And what can I do is that I'll go inside, press tab and select all and F, and I can now create something like this. You see, and I can extrude it and insert it like other things that I showed you in the previous lectures. You see, something like this is created. Okay, so keep in mind, you can loop cut it if you want. See, and we can select the faces if you want. You can extrude it inside like this, extrude, and maybe we can put a loop cut here. You see, we can put a loop cut here, or we can cut this one here like this and enter. And I'm going to the faces like this. I can extrude it like this. See, it's not true like this. I'll press Alt E and individual face like this. Let me Alt E individual face like this. This is not correct because of the direction of the face. So along the normals you can see that it is closed like this. And we can fix this one from here and press G and correct it like this. Okay, this was it. I hope it was helpful, and see you in the next video. Goodbye.